Hello dears and ears, today we are going to present a vegetable of Thar that is called Khonbhi in Sindhi and mushroom in English, and it is called in Urdu kalaan. So this is the vegetable of Thar which have no any seed. These mushrooms appear after 2 or 3 days when it rains. So as it rains after 2 and 3 days, these khumbis, these kalabara, these mushrooms appears from the soil. So these mushrooms have no any seed. So yes, the common age of this mushroom is 2 to 3 days. As it appears after 2 to 3 days, it changes automatically from white to black color. So after changing color into black, it is useless. It cannot be bagged for the vegetable. So if 3 days have been passed and no one found the mushroom, then these mushrooms changed into black color, and if they are abandoned, then they are useless and they cannot be bagged for the vegetable. These mushrooms can be bagged for the vegetables just within 3 days as these appears in the soil. Dears, now we come to the taste of the mushroom. The taste of the mushroom is very delicious, and if you eat the mushrooms, then it looks like that you are eating the meat. So dears and ears, Thari people become very happy when it rains and the mushrooms appear, and they collect the mushrooms from the soil, from the jungle, and then most of the poor people of Tharparkar, they sell the mushrooms in the cities, in the small towns, and even on the barren roads. The price of these mushrooms is an average price, and they sell about 200 to 400 per kg. There are two types of mushrooms. One type is called Khonbhi, in which there are more flower, white flower is available. Another type is called Khonbhi, or mushrooms, we can say that female mushrooms and male mushrooms. So female mushrooms are very pretty and are very delicious in eating, and the male mushrooms are not as delicious as the female mushrooms are. Dears, this is the prepared vegetable plate of mushrooms. So let's come and eat.